Jackson, kick out kay Donald Williams. Williams, ball away niya, sapal. Williams, jumper pa rin niya. This, wala.
Oy!
And Benji Paras, oh, turning garbage into gold.
Napaganda pa para kay Benji Paras.
Sinutulungan makawala ito si Williams. Paras tatanggap. Lean in off the glass, pumasok. Dito sa third quarter. And here's John Best to Jackson sa ilalim.
Again, butas ang depensa ng Mobiline. Nakabawi ang Shell. 0 ang Mobiline dyan.
Oh, John Best!
At dyan din nakabawi ang Shell sa kanilang mga 3-point shots. Na kanina pa yan, hindi na mapigilan ng Mobiline yung kanilang mga 3-point shots.
Jerry Esplana nakatubili sa 3-pointer niya. Wala, there's Chris Jackson. Muntik pa makabuslo doon. Pero John Best keeping the ball alive. Donald Williams on a 3-pointer. The long rebound kina ni Donald Williams. Williams again!
Woo! Ano ba yan?
Capasios, 2 against 1. Benji Paras. Glenn Capasio with a ball fake. And he goes strong to the hoop. Mabilis kay McLary. He sails in. Yes!
Oh.
Back-to-back baskets by Mobiline. Dito si John Best. John Best. 3-pointer from Pelly, the long distance country. Yes! Pag-pick na spot doon. There's the length of the court. Paras touch pass.
Ganda!
Oh, yes!
Gandang pasa ni Benji Paras.
Yes, mga kaibigan, we're back sa pagbubukas po ng ating third quarter. And Jerry Esplana firing from long distance. Hindi pumasok ang Jerry Esplana. He was actually scoreless nung ating first half of play.
Well, Jerry Esplana not getting too many minutes dito sa Shell sa larong ito. At alam mo, nagiging problema rito. Kala natin magiging problema ang point guard position for Mobiline. Pero hindi pala dahil sila Alsonis, Glenn Capasio nag-deliver. So kailangan mag-deliver din point guard position ng Shell.
Yes, and a basket score there by T. McLary. Only his 9th point. Pero ika nga maganda suporta binibigay overall nito si T. McLary dito sa kampanya ng kanyang koponan. And here's John Best. All marbled up. Pasa niya. Lumampas kay Benji. Lumampas kay Jerry. At turnover kagad ng resulta para dito sa Formula Shell.
Hirap na hirap silang ilusot yung kanilang post-up play na yun. Pero tignan muna natin ang ating guard matchup. Donald Williams versus T. McLary. Uy, walang naka-double figure sa puntos. Pero T. McLary double figure naman sa double digits sa rebounds. Saka assist 2 and 3 halos pareho.
Papilipit na tira nito si Al Solis. Nagmintis. 10-point lead ng Mobiline, 43-33. Here's Donald Williams. He gives it to Benji Paras. Benji Paras forced to kick out that ball. And Donald Williams canning along too.
Hindi siya binigyan ng 3-point shot doon dahil tumama doon sa guhit yung kanyang paa. But that's a good kick out there by Benji Paras. Again, drawing the defense and finding Williams open.
Almost 2 minutes gone by dito sa ating third quarter. There's Glenn Capasio. He gives it to Al Solis. Again, Al Solis made 11 points in first half. Tatlong 3-pointer. And Glenn Capasio continues to play superbly para dito sa Mobiline. Meron na siyang 7 puntos.
Oo, maganda yung pasahan ng dalawang gwardyang to. Al Solis and Glenn Capasio. Sa bagay, sa Pure Foods pa, magkakampi na yan dalawang yan.
And yung championship experience doon sa dalawang yan ay there's John Best forcing the issue. At pala matatawag dito kay John Best. Una pa lamang ni John Best. At ito, bola babalik dito sa Mobiline. At since offensive in nature, hindi magka-count na si team foul.
Pero every time they go down the court, last few possessions, they always go to that play. Baka kailangan ibahin naman ng konti. Nagmadali.
Yes, that's Silas Mills. Ito ngayon si Jerry Esplana.
Uy,
Took the
nakalusot.
longer route. Drops it to John Best. And John Best banking it for 2.
Well, one of the rare lapses defensively by Mobiline. Nakadrive si Gerald Esplana doon na walang humarang sa kanya. Nung malapit na siya, dumrap pass na lang siya.
Here's Al Solis. Alam, binabanggit natin yung championship experience itong Mobiline Compass. Though as a team, ika nga ay yung sa Centennial Cup yung mapapatunayan ng kanilang championship caliber. Pero individually, yung championship experience ng Solis, Capasio, even Alvin Teng, mabigat-bigat yan.
Mabigat yan. Kaya I don't think that's going to be a disadvantage for them na wala silang championship experience as a team pero nakabawid. Donald Williams.
45-39, a 6-point 6-point lead ng Mobile Line. 8.5 to go dito sa ating third quarter. Of course, si Glenn Capasio, championship stint with Pure Foods. Ito si Solis with Yung Sweet.
Yes, pati rin sa Pure Foods, galing din ng Pure Foods.
At yun, si Alvin Teng sa San Miguel naman.
Yes. Kaya ngayon, sila rin ang inaasahan kung kailangan na experience.
Dito si John Best. John Best, 3-pointer from the long distance country. Yes! But don't look now, there's the length of the court pass para kay Team McLary. Pero quick to recover defensively itong Formula Shell.
Yes. Magandang transition defense. Ang Shell, pinabayaan.
That's Silas Mills. That time hindi magandang pag-pick na spot doon. There's the length of the court para touch pass.
Ganda!
Oh, yes!
Gandang pasa ni Benji Paras. But you can credit that as another assist for the kick, yung outside, yung long pass, galing sa backcourt.
Don't look now, mga kaibigan, 3 puntos na lamang ang kalambangan ng Mobile Line, 47-44.
Biglang naging 3.
Si Glenn Capasio, he bubbles, picks up his dribble. So it's inside to Alvin Teng. There's a tap by Benji Paras. It will stay with the ball fouls. Pero ito, what a search here by Mobile Line, mga kaibigan. Formula Shell rather. And Formula Shell looking to extend this game to a Game 7.
Baka makarating pa tayo ng Tuesday nito pagka hindi nag-ingat ang
Oh!
Mobile Line.
There's a block by Williams kay Capasio. A second remaining sa shot clock ng Mobile Line.
Biglang gumanda depensa ng Shell dito.
There's Team McLary. Last second shot. Wala. 24 second shot clock. Violation tinawag dito sa Mobile Line. Dodge boy in the paint. This will be interesting, Coach Chen.
Tignan natin dahil dinominate ng Mobile Line nung una ito pero tabla sila sa inside points. Lamang lang ng konti sa rebounds, block shots, lamang lang ng 2. So that's almost even for them.
Yes, at dito sa Formula Shell, na-neutralize nila yung isa't isa sa inside. Ito ngayon si Williams. Outside naman ang pag-usapan natin.
Woo!
At namamayagpag ang Formula Shell. There's a 3-pointer by Williams from PLDT Country, tying the ball game 47-all. And timeout called here by Mobile Line, mga kaibigan. Bumalik na ang Formula Shell.
Lipavitan, the official energy drink of the PBA. Lipavitan gets you going.
We're back, mga kaibigan. At yumuyugyog dito sa loob ng Cuneta Astrodome, lalo-lalo na mula dito sa mga Shell fans. Bakit nga naman hindi? They were down by 8 points sa pagbubukas ng ating third quarter. Pero ito, midway ng third, tie na tayo, Coach Chieng, 47-all.
Oo, at down by as much as 12 points nung first half. At nakahabol sila. Kala natin kontrolado na ng Mobile Line ang tempo. Biglang-biglang bumaliktad at napakabilis ng mga pangyayari.
Of course, Formula Shell behind the guns of their imports. Itong si Donald Williams at John Best nakabalik sa ball game na ito sa ating pivotal third quarter. Yung maganda sa third quarter, makikita mo kagad make or break yung first 6 minutes.
Oo.
At adjustments dyan nangyayari. This time mukhang Shell pa ang nanguna sa pag-adjust dito. And ito.
Tinawagan ng foul si Benji Paras. Pero alam mo, nangyari dito kasamang mo na yung Mobile Line kanina. Parang nag-relax sila. Yung sinasabi ni Eric Altamirano na iwasan ninyo na mawalan kayo ng focus. Mukhang nakalimutan nila yung reminder na yun na puwersa tuloy siyang tumawag uli ng isang timeout.
At ito nga po, 47-all and we're nearing the 6-minute mark ng ating third quarter. There's Team McLary. He picks up his dribble. The skip pass to Glenn Capasio. Thought about it. Ito si Silas Mills. Gustong gamitin ng baseline. Pero again, sarado ang baseline para kay Silas Mills. Merong deflection.
Ang ganda ng reaction ng depensa ng Shell doon. Ginagawa nila kanina yon, nakakalusot. Pero this time, wala. Tingnan natin, third quarter. Kahabol ang Shell. Ang ganda ng field goal percentages nila. 6 of 8.
Patrick
6 for 8.
Mann, mintis ang kanyang long
Whoa!
shot. Best to Jairus Plana, wala pa rin. Unahan, the top by Glenn Capasio. 2 against 1, Benji Paras. Glenn Capasio with a ball fake. And he goes strong to the hoop. 49-47. At itong Mobile Line, nakabuslo for 2 points. At lamang sila ng 2.
Ito, tama rin ginagawa ng Shell dito. Hindi kailangan magmadali, but you have to look at the shot clock.
There's a step back. 3-pointer from PLDT Country. Wala. Mills. Mabilis kay McLary. He sails in. Yes!
Oh!
Back-to-back baskets by Mobile Line.
Pinatay kaagad ng Mobiline yung rally ng Shell. Tinabla sila kanina pero ang bilis. Nakabalik kaagad. May 4 points kaagad silang lamang ngayon.
51-47 is the count. At ito si Donald Williams. Nakita si Benji Paras. Tinutulungan makawala ito si Williams. Paras tatanggap. Lean in off the glass. Pumasok.
So far, ang pinaka-effective na play ng Shell, yung kanilang pick and roll na yun. Yung kanilang post-up na isolation, hirap eh. Yung pick and roll, okay lang.
Oh, another turnover. Ito sa pagitan ni Mills at ni McClary.
Balik na naman tayo sa perennial problem ng Mobiline, which is their turnovers.
And pag sa turnovers ang pinag-uusapan, 70% ng turnover ng Mobiline nasa import sila. Pagkat sila mas maraming touches naman talaga sa bola.
Totoo yun. Talagang i-increase ang chances na magta-turnover ka.
Andito si Benji Paras. Jackson, kick out kay Donald Williams. Williams, ball away niya, sapal. Williams, jumper pa rin niya. Yes, wala.
Oy!
And Benji Paras, oh, turning garbage into gold.
Napaganda pa para kay Benji Paras, but excellent effort there. Diving for the ball and saving it on the baseline.
At makikita mo doon sa huling sequence na yun, Coach Jim, talagang itong Formula Shell refusing to give up.
At pag nakita mo yung play na yun, alam mo na championship na.
Yes, and ito. Meanwhile, another turnover. At ito si Avinteng upo, papasok si Eric Reyes. Tabla tayo, 51 all. Ito ang ating panglimang deadlock.
Daming turnover ng Mobiline, sunod-sunod pa. At maaaring ngayon, namimiss nila ang presence ng kanilang mga point guard, Tony Boy Espinosa, illegal defense.
Tony Boy Espinosa is out, mga kaibigan. Balita nga natin for the next 6 months because of an ACL injury. Meanwhile, illegal defense call. Laban dito sa Mobiline. Warning pa lamang si Tim McLaren, naglalagi dun sa may gitna.
Oo.
51 all, under 4 minutes.
Balik na naman ang momentum dito sa Shell at mataas ang kumpiyansa nila ngayon.
Yes, a resurgent Formula Shell Gas Kings dito sa third quarter. And here's John Best to Jackson sa ilalim.
Again, butas ang depensa ng Mobiline. Hindi sila nakatingin doon sa kanilang mga likuran.
Again, Formula Shell looking to extend this series to a Game 7. Lamang na ngayon na Shell, 53-51. Matagal-tagal lang din nakakalamang itong Formula Shell. The last time was nung first quarter pa.
Ayun
At si
pa
Silas
ulit.
Mills kanina pa iniitsa ang bola. Tinatapon actually. John Best, bibitin mo!
Woo! Tatlong sunod-sunod na turnovers itong si Silas Mills.
That time's it's odd. Samantala ito si Benji Paras. But look at Benji Paras diving for those.
Talagang championship na.
Beste McClary bumangga minsan. McClary uli. Wala pa rin pero makakakuha na siya ng foul this time. Look at John Best.
Buti natigil ang action. Nakahinga muna ng konti ang ating mga audience dito.
Pati tayo.
Oo, pati tayo dito sa Astrodome.
At foul tinawag ito kay Jerry Esplana. Meanwhile, tatawag ng timeout ang Formula Shell Gas Kings. At lamang po sila ng dalawa. 53-51 ang kabalikan.
For those who appreciate quality, Outlast Battery, winner of International Award for Quality.
Nasa 4.5 meter line matapos siya ma-foul itong si Jerry Esplana. Pumasok ang una.
At ang in-expect natin dito, alam mo kanina, Silas Mills, playing a good all-around game. Pero nagulat tayo dahil last 3 possessions niya, nagtako ng bola. In-expect pa naman natin, if there's someone who can take over for Mobiline, it would be Silas Mills. Pero medyo hindi maganda nangyari para sa Mobiline doon.
Lamang ng isang Formula Shell, 53-52. Here's John Best inside the shaded lane. Tatlo kumuha sa kanya doon. Nakakawala pa rin ito si John Best.
Well, John Best always asking the referee to call a foul on that play. Pero wag mo nang pansinin. Basta nakashoot ka, baba ka na lang, dumipensa ka na lang.
Balik sa tatlo. Ang kalamangan dito ng Formula Shell. Atake si Tim McLaren. Gives it to Silas Smith with a two-handed slam dunk.
Kabawi rin si Silas Smith dahil medyo may mga turnovers sa kanina.
Let's see kung magigising itong Mobiline dito.
Dapat lang. Ito, turnovers natin. Turnover points. Ayun. Diyan nakabawi ang Shell. 0 ang Mobiline dyan.
Oh, John Bess!
At dyan din, nakabawi ang Shell sa kanilang mga 3-point shots.
From
Kanina pa yan, hindi na mapigilan ng Mobiline yung kanilang mga 3-point shots.
From PLDT Long Distance Country, lamang na ng 4 ang Formula siya. Meanwhile, itong si T. McClary taking the action inside. At si Chris Jackson naman tatawagan dito sa tutungo sa 4.5 meter line. Ito naman pong si T. McClary. Yes, T. McClary, makita niyo huling bigay dito kay Silas Mills.
Ayun. Trinipol team si T. McClary, maiiwan talagang libre yung sa ilalim.
Can see McClary singing his first free throw nung first half natin. Medyo matabang sa 4.5 meter line itong si T. McClary.
Kita natin, binalik si Al Solis for that much needed championship experience. No? Sinasabi natin, talagang kailangan nila ng leader sa loob ng court ngayon, at least from the local side.
2 for 2 para kay McClary. 2-point lead ng Shell. 58-56. That's the score.
Alam mo, itong fourth quarter na to, itong third quarter na to, 1 minute and 35 seconds to go. Wala pang foul ang Mobiline dito, ha?
Yes, ito ngayon si John Best. John Best. Jerez pa na nakatubili dito sa 3-pointer niya. Wala, there's Chris Jackson. Muntik pa makabuslo doon. Pero John Best keeping the ball alive. Donald Williams on a 3-pointer. The long rebound kina ni Donald Williams. Williams again!
Woo! Ano ba yan? Well, that's the height of his confidence. Ano? Talagang he was just looking to make that outside shot, whatever happens.
Si Patrick Frank kanina, nag-run out player. Hindi niya na-box out itong si Donald Williams.
Oy!
Kaya nakakawala in the hole. Ito ngayon si Benji Bras rejecting Al Solis. Lamang ng 4 ng Shell, 60-56. Williams, pakiramdam niya, medyo nagmadali na yun. Although, pakiramdam niya, nag-iinit na rin ang pulso niya.
Oo, pero hindi kailangan masyadong off-balance yung kanyang tirang yon.
Now here's Mobiline. They're trying to be patient. Al Solis, 3-pointer. Wala from PLDT Country.
Well, they had ball movement there. Good ball movement. Al was free and open, so kailangan lang itira niya talaga, pero wala.
Itong Formula Shock further pad the lead dito sa possession na ito, pero foul lang itatawag.
Surprisingly, both teams dito parang nagmamadali. Ano? Hindi na kailangan talaga na agarin dahil ito, 18.9 seconds. Jerry Esplana could have pulled the ball out and set up another play.
Ball stays with Formula Shell. Final 15 seconds ng ating third quarter. Full quarter still ahead of us, mga kaibigan. It's a 4-point lead ng Shell. 60-56. Let's see. 6 seconds to go. And Jerry Esplana, 3-pointer, wala. Mills, no more time left. At magdumatatapos ang ating third quarter. At quarter na to, ibibigay natin sa Formula Shell. Lamang sila ng abat, 60-56.